My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Tuis. Tuis. This is a ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It attacks computers that are poorly protected against ransomware attacks. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. People may restart their computers and suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This Tuis ransomware encrypts files and damages them. So when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Tuis extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application. Start the program. Then you will need to wait until it, first of all, update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. Then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The scanning will then begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.